Hi, welcome to Muskegon Area District Library's first Take It, Make It craft of summer 2020, Pet Rocks. This craft kit is intended for grades 6 and younger, and all you need to do is stop by your library and pick up one of the kits and take it home. Everything you need to make your pet rock is in your kit. I have some sample pet rocks here, and I wanted to tell you some things about the rocks that you're going to make. You might get a big rock in your bag. You might get a small rock, you might get a really lumpy rock. There's all different kinds of rocks in the bags. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take everything out of your bag when you get home. Let's see what we have in here. Now there's different kinds of rocks, like I mentioned. This is the rock that we have here. Let's see it. Get everything out of the bag. You'll have some eyes in the bag. You will have a feather, a pipe cleaner that I've kind of already twirled up in a circle. You will have a glue. It could be white glue or purple glue. I'm going to use the white glue today. You will have either some foam stickers, a few of those, or you'll have some jewel stickers. I have both of them out for my kit just so I can show you what we have available. There may also be some bigger foam stickers in yours too. Some of those had them. These are pet rocks that I made already. This is Eileen, and you can see she's reading a book. This is Uncle Steve right here. And this is the hurricane. Sorry, Uncle Steve is spinning. There he goes. So what you're going to do, the very first thing, is decide how you want to stand your rock up. Do you want him to stand tall? Will he stand tall? Do you want him to be short? You want him to be super short? I'm going to make this pet rock short like this. And so then what you do is you decide where you want your eyes. I'm going to put them right there. So I'm going to get some glue out of here. The eyes are stickers, but they don't stick very good to the rocks unless we use glue. Now, if your grown-up has other glue at home, like a hot glue gun, that would work too. You're welcome to do that. Let's see here. Now we'll just put our eyes right here. There we go. And I decided that I wanted to, there's paper in here too. You can do things with the paper, like I made the book for Eileen over there, but I'm not going to use the paper for this one. I am going to use this pipe cleaner that I swirled up and make it like it's a scarf. So for that, I'm going to try to put some glue just around, that's a lot, just around the base of the rock here. So we'll see how this goes. You will have to let your glue dry for a while before you do anything with your pet rock. But this is going to take a little bit more glue than some of the other things will. Let's see if I can just set it right there. There we go. Now, I'm going to give her a nice hat. She is going to have a pretty pink hat on. And I'm going to spread out as much glue as I think I need here. And if you want to cut the feather to make it smaller like I did for Uncle Steve there, that's fine to do that. There we go. Now we gave her a nice hat, and I'm going to give her some fancy earrings. I'm going to use some of these jewels here. And for that, I'm going to need to put some glue on the rock too for that. So I'm going to put them right where I think her ears would go. If I can get it on there. One on each side. And you don't have to do anything in particular. You can do your rock however you want to do it. And there you go. You have your pet rock. Be sure to take pictures of your pet rock having fun. I took my 3 pet rocks to the park. We went on the tire swing, they went on a kayak, and they sat on the park bench and rested for a while. We have a lot more fun activities coming up in July. For example, if you're a teenager and you would like to participate in a teen quest that's taking place all over the state of Michigan, we have that available on our webpage. We also have what we're calling the July Challenge, and we have one for each grade or each age. We have adults, we have grades 7th through 12th, and 6th and younger. So be sure to pick up one of these at the library, or you can find it on our webpage, MADL.org, and click on the summer reading button, and you'll be able to see it there and print them out at home. Be sure to sign up for our summer reading program. You can do that at MADL.org and click on the summer reading button. There you'll be able to sign into our Wandu reader and log your minutes there.